So here we're gonna be playing this +1 speed every second, and I haven't got a pet yet, and here's our first win already. I think I've played this game before, that's why I've got like I'm getting a lot of stuff. So now we need to move on and do our next lap. I like how we're just like running. Oh, we have to stop again. Let's run again. So, I think I've played this game before, and like there is a jumping game like +1 jump every second, and I think now I want to move on to the next tower because it's looks really cool. It's a candy tower, yay! I love candy towers because I'm very obsessed with a lot of candy. Gonna run some candy blocks. Oh yeah. This is funny how like there's candy, but it's not candy. It's blocks. It's like candy blocks. I don't know how to say it though. This is such a big tower. I'm never gonna get to the end. I can at least see the green. It looks like there was like a little opening there, but there wasn't. So much candy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. We got 2 wins. I think oh, nope. Just gonna keep going. Nope. I'm gonna go get this pet. And I'm gonna press E. Open it. Probably the 30%. I did. I got the 30% one. That is very, very common to get the 30% one. Now I need 10 wins to unlock the Illumina lane. So we need some more wins to unlock that lane. And I guess I should just keep running this one. This one's so long for some reason. I wish it wasn't this long, but it's still okay to have it this long. I'm just checking if my pet, I was just equipping my pet then because I didn't have my pet active. And it only gives you 7+ this one, so this one's really, really bad. Well, it's not bad, at least it still does something. And we're about to earn another 2 wins. Oh, I didn't want to go into that. I didn't even know how I got into that. Now we're going to climb this tower again. And again. And again. We're going to climb it a lot of times, I think. Yep, a lot of times. Wee. There's so many blocks of candy. I like blocks of candy. They're really, really, really good. Look at that rainbow tower. It's so short. Like, we're already past it. It's so weak. But this one, yeah, look how long it is. It's very, very long. I didn't expect it to be this long, but it's just super duper long. Like, I thought like the last tower would be like this, but actually the second tower is like this. Now we just need to have some wins. Oh, I keep clicking on random stuff that I don't want to click. So annoying. I wish auto run was free in this game, but it's not. It costs Robux. It's silly how a lot of like really good things cost Robux. Like I've got 0 Robux and I don't even know how to get Robux. Like it's so silly how I don't know how to get Robux. I can't buy anything really good, and I'm really bad at this. I don't play Roblox that much, but at least I do it on YouTube because my TV is down, so I can't do any more Nintendo videos until my TV is back up. So that's why I'm doing videos on my iPad now, not on my Nintendo Switch. And soon I'll be doing like Kirby Clash games because I've got that for free. And if you go to the Nintendo eShop, you can actually buy type up Kirby Clash and it'll come up with this free Kirby game, and it's really fun. Like I was playing it for a very long time and I loved it so much. And I bought it like one day and I played it in one day and I'm already like really, really good at it. It's kind of like Kirby Star Allies, but just a bit different. And now we've unlocked the Illumina Tower. And we've still only got one pet here. And these boot things actually do increase your speed a bit. And we are going to do the Illumina Tower. So it's going to be probably pretty easy because we've got over 1,000 speed. So now we'll be able to go there. I keep jumping over those things. Why? Why? They're so special. Now I'm going to go to the Illumina Tower. And I'm guessing it's... Okay then, I think I've nearly already passed the Candy Tower. Yep, I just passed the Candy Tower. That's amazing. I don't want to get that because I don't have any Robux. That was faster than the Candy Tower. Probably even faster than that other tower. So it is the end of the video. And it is, so it's at the end of the video, I think. So bye.